Hello crypto trader! Today I'm gonna show you how to register, deposit, trade and withdraw cryptocurrencies on Binance.com. First, you need to register. Simply type Binance.com in your browser and press enter. In the upper right corner, hit the register button and you'll be asked to provide your email, create strong password and accept the terms of use. When done, you'll receive an email with a verification link. Next step is making a deposit. Go to the funds section and choose deposit. Pick a currency and you'll be immediately provided with an address for deposits in that currency. For the first time, I recommend using Bitcoin or Ethereum. Copy that address and use it to send cryptocurrency from your external wallet. Make sure you're using the same cryptocurrency as you've picked earlier on Binance. Once your coins would be transferred, you're ready to trade. First, you need to choose a market. Let's say you want to buy some Binance coins using your Ethereum. Go to ATH BNB market, set up a price with limit orders or buy immediately using the latest price in the market tab. Choose an amount you want to buy and hit green buy button. Once you'll want to sell your coins, just set up a price and hit the red sell button. Making huge profits and want to withdraw some? Go to Funds, Withdrawals, pick a coin you want to withdraw and you'll be asked to paste in your external wallet's address. Once again, make sure you're using the same cryptocurrency on both sides. Here you go, that's how you can deposit, withdraw and trade on Binance.com.